Hi. Welcome to Anatomy Under 30 Seconds by Curiosity Max. Today we're seeing a mnemonic to remember the borders of the triangle of auscultation. The triangle of auscultation is an anatomical landmark that can be used for better auscultation. The mnemonic is, touch stethoscope lightly. T, S, and L. T stands for the trapezius, S for the scapula, and L for the latissimus dorsi. As you can see here, the lateral border of the trapezius, the medial border of scapula, and the latissimus dorsi are the boundaries of the triangle of auscultation. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.